Hello and welcome. Today we're going to be talking about a competition which I'm going to be launching, which will be a box making competition. So all of the rules and things are written down here, so we're going to talk through that now. So essentially this competition will be open to anyone in the UK, and it will be a box making competition, sort of there to inspire people and have a bit of fun doing it. So I'll run through the rules quickly. So you've got to make a handmade box, any size you want, any shape you want, as long as it's a box. And it's only open to UK residents, must be completed by the 16th of December, midnight UK time, which will give me enough time to judge it and also send out the prize. There is going to be quite a good prize for this, and it will be judged by me, my friend, and if necessary a third judge as well. So the entrants must send at least 3 high quality images of the box with a short summary about it. So for example, that could be, I made a walnut box with dovetail joints and a hinge lid. It literally just needs to be a brief thing just so I could know what to talk about. And basically what's going to happen is I'll do a video like this, but the boxes will be to the side of me. I'll talk through them, and then the people who enter, if they've got a channel or an Instagram page, I'll showcase that on the side and scroll through their Instagram or like scroll through their YouTube and things so people can see what they're like, and I'll link all of their Instagrams and YouTube down below. So it should help smaller channels and smaller Instagrams grow, I guess, and I think it'll be quite a good competition. But the short summary is just so I can sort of explain what their box is, and will help when I'm putting the photos there so I can actually explain what it is. And the prize for this will be an Axminster gift card. It will be £10, and they'll also receive a design and make sticker and a Woodworking blend sticker. So it needs to be sent, the photos need to be sent to designermakeyt.yt Instagram page, or email to designermakeyt@gmail.com. And as I said, 3 high quality photos and a summary of what they are. Any tools can be used. Any age can enter, but just bear in mind that if you're under 16, you probably need to get permission, things like that. And obviously you need to be happy for me to know your address to send it to and things like that, and obviously happy for your channel or your Instagram page to go up on here, and obviously happy for the photos of your box to be shown. And if you don't want to use your real name, that's absolutely fine. You can just put another name there and I'll just use that. But otherwise, that's how the competition will work. So each entrant will get a shout out and a feature of their channel. So as I said, like the scroll through thing, winner will be judged by myself and my friend, who will act, I guess, as an unbiased judge, as he does not do woodworking. So I think it makes it quite fair, because he's purely basing it off looks, whereas I'm basing it off of things like the joinery and also the looks as well, and sort of how you've constructed it. So the winner will be announced on the 18th of December via a video very much like this, and they'll also be contacted either by Instagram or by email depending on how they sent the images through. And the prize will hopefully be sent on the 19th of December, which should get it in time for Christmas, otherwise it'll be a bit after Christmas. And I'll get in contact with the winner and send them designer make sticker, a Woodworking blend sticker, and a £10 Axminster voucher. So that's a very short video there today, but I just wanted to tell you about that competition that I'm launching. I really hope you're excited to get going with that, and if you want to start making it now, by all means do. You've got about a month to get going on it. I think it's going to be really great, and if you've got any more questions about it, put them in the comments below. Hopefully I made it clear enough, or you can Instagram me, or you can send me an email. Either works. But essentially, make a box, any size, any tools you want, send it in by the 16th of December midnight, and basically send 3 high quality photos with a little statement either to my Instagram page or my email. And all of these stuff like that, my Instagram will be linked down below if you're unsure, and the email you should be able to find in the about page of my channel. So that is what that competition is. I really hope you're excited about that. Thank you very much for watching, and I hope you guys enter. Really excited to see what happens with this. Thank you very much for watching.